Welcome to the complete video editing course with Camtasia Studio. At first, we talk about the basic interface of Camtasia Studio software. Then we learn how to record your computer screen, split and delete unwanted portion from your video, adding text, images and logos in your video, adding different type of transition behavior in our video clip, blur out any confidential info and watermark, crop video and adding some cool effect on it, adding different type of transition effect in our video, highlighted effect in mouse pointer, create super cool spotlight effect in your video, adding slow motion or fast motion effect in your video, zoom in and zoom out your video footage, adding caption manually in your any type of video, recording Microsoft PowerPoint slideshow presentation, removing noise from your audio clip, adding custom background music of your any video, adding voice narration, green screen video production, creating slideshow video from scratch, play multiple videos in one screen. Also, we learned the best render setting for your final edited video and much more.